One of the biggest marketing mistakes I see growing businesses make is expecting one marketing hire to function like an entire marketing department. I understand why this happens. The business is growing, leads are becoming more important, marketing is becoming more important. So leadership decides it's time to hire someone. Maybe it's marketing coordinator, maybe it's a marketing manager, and maybe it's a marketing director. And for a little while, things improve. But then 6 months later, everyone is frustrated and leadership is wondering why marketing still feels behind. And the marketing person feels very overwhelmed. And nobody can quite figure out what's wrong. Before starting Digital Sargeant, I was a chief marketing officer, and today I work with businesses across a variety of industries, and I see this pattern all the time. The problem usually isn't the person. The problem is the structure. Think about what we're asking marketing teams to do today. We want content, we want social media, we want SEO, we want paid advertising, we want email marketing, we want video, we want website updates, we want analytics, we want AI, and we want strategy. And when do we want it? We want it now. And that's a lot. In fact, I think one of the biggest misconceptions in business today is that marketing is a job. Marketing is not a job anymore. Marketing is a collection of specialties. And the person who's amazing at content creation may not be great at paid media. The person who's fantastic at SEO may not be the right person to lead strategy. The person who's incredible at analytics may not be the person you want on camera creating your video content. Yet every day I see businesses trying to find the one magic marketing hire who can do all of it. Now let's talk about AI, because I know somebody is thinking it. I know somebody is saying, well, Jennifer, doesn't AI solve all of this? Yes, absolutely. We use AI. Our clients use AI. It is a fantastic tool. But I think AI has also created some unrealistic expectations. AI helps people move faster. It doesn't automatically make someone an expert in every marketing discipline. And it doesn't replace experience. And it definitely doesn't replace strategy. So what often happens is businesses use AI as a reason to put even more responsibility on that same person. And eventually that person hits a wall. Not because they're bad at their job, because they're carrying too much. The businesses that seem to navigate growth the best usually stop looking at marketing as a person and start looking at marketing as a function. Instead of asking, who should we hire next? They ask, what marketing capabilities are we missing? And that's a completely different question. Maybe you're missing content. Maybe you're missing advertising expertise. Maybe you're missing SEO. Maybe you're missing strategy. Maybe you're missing execution capacity. The answer isn't always another employee, and that's where I think a lot of businesses get stuck. They assume the only options are hiring internally or outsourcing everything. In reality, some of the strongest marketing organizations I've ever worked with use a combination of both. They have internal marketing leaders who understand the business, the customers, the culture, and their priorities. Then they bring in outside expertise to fill the gaps, increase capacity, provide specialized skills that would be difficult or expensive to hire internally. And honestly, some of our best client relationships at Digital Sargeant are with companies that already have internal marketing teams. I love that model. The internal team knows the business better than anyone else. Our role is to bring additional strategy, execution, and expertise to help them move faster and achieve better results. I've even had the opportunity to mentor marketing managers and directors who eventually become CMOs within their organization, which is incredibly rewarding to see. And if this sounds familiar and you're looking at your marketing team wondering whether you need to hire one, another agency, or simply a structure, I'd encourage you to schedule a conversation with me. Because sometimes the answer is an employee, sometimes it's additional expertise, and sometimes it's a combination of internal talent and outside support. The advantage is that you don't have to take on the risk, the overhead, the long-term commitment of building an entire marketing department before you know exactly what your business needs. We've worked alongside internal marketing teams, supported marketing directors, and helped organizations fill critical skills gaps without forcing them to hire multiple specialists. So if you like an outside perspective on your current marketing structure, book a call with me. Even if we aren't a right fit, I'll help point you in that right direction and give you an honest assessment of where I think the biggest opportunities are.